G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial we're going to look at how to blend an image into the background, and this is the end result. So let's get stuck straight into it. What we need to do is bring a background in, so I'm going to use this new fence panel board. So just click on that, right click, set as background. Then what we want to do is bring the image in, and we're going to do beautiful Asian girl looking off into the distance. And we simply just want to click on that, edit, and go to background remover. Alright, at the moment with I guess one of the updates that Canva's done, the background remover has been removed from the floating toolbar here. So you just have to press edit and go to background remover like I did just now. So we'll just position that there. Then we'll open up a new page. We'll bring the fence panel back in. We'll go set as background, and we want to edit it, so click on it, edit it, come over to adjust, and we want to adjust the settings. So we'll adjust the brightness up to about 40, 43, 40, 45, something like that. Contrast 100, and highlights will go around the 90 mark, and then for saturation we'll drop it down to minus 100. Once we've done that, we just simply come over here, download, make sure that we've got the current page selected, and download the image. Once it's downloaded, we come back to the first page and we just want to drag that in. Alright, and we simply just bring it up to the corner and expand it down to the corner here. Alright, to get the person behind, we just simply come over to transparency, and you can adjust the transparency to whatever you fancy, but I dropped it down to about 50 for this one. Alright, and there you pretty much have it. That is how to blend an image into the background in Canva. So thank you very much for listening to my tutorial. Hit the notification button, the subscribe button, like and share, leave a comment, and until next time, have fun with Canva.